I felt like this was not supposed to be me coming in this beautiful building. This new beautiful building that I have, I do hope that these things that I'm planning to have in future, they're gonna happen.
Through our collaboration, we are keeping the hopes of these children alive.
It's not just the ECD, but the surrounding community that's also impacted. Parents have the confidence that children can come to this ECD centre, learn in a safe environment, and just flourish and thrive.
They're calling this building a beacon of hope in Barcelona, Guguletu, and I really do feel that today. As part of Hive's community investment programme, we partnered with our long-standing charity partner, Breadline Africa, to rebuild Masonwabe School, which is now a safe and dignified school for 76 children. It also is a complete community project. We upskilled local workers from the area to build the school using this carbon negative building material.
It's a very simple process of we're seeing the waste or the biomass coming in, and then we take it down to a size that is handleable, and then that material is then mixed together with a binder, and then it's put into a formwork in a mold, and that mold then cures for 12 to 24 hours, and then we strip it, and there you've got your product.
It's really substantial. The investment into this community has made a massive impact on this ECD, but not only this ECD, but the community surrounding. So the teacher is equipped and empowered to teach the young children, 76 learners at this ECD, and the parents have the knowledge and the security knowing their children are coming to a safe space to get educational outcomes.
This support that we get from Hive and Breadline, this symbolizes the hope and the bright future for the children and for the community as well.
As a parent and the school, it gives me a motivation because we are nurturing our kids. We are nurturing the teachers of tomorrow, the nurse of tomorrow, the doctors of tomorrow.
Now that I have this solid building that we have, I'm sure now there will be approved papers, which is that papers are going to help me to submit so that I can receive the subsidy for the school.
It's not just going to benefit the 76 children who are here today, it will benefit kids for generations to come. We actually went one step further and we partnered with Ladles of Love to provide nutritious meals for the children.
I feel this partnership with Hive is a perfect example of how powerful collaboration can be. Ladles of Love's drive is to support nutrition through education, and this is just perfect and it's wonderful, and being able to give our kids 2 meals a day because of this collaboration just gives these children more hope.
Opening our school today gives hope and the bright future for our children and the community as well.